Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the FPS of Roblox while you play. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching Roblox and going into any game you want. When you are in the game, you can bring up the FPS info by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard and then pressing F5. If that doesn't work, then hold down Shift, Function and then F5. You will be able to see your FPS here as well as other stats about the game. You can get rid of the FPS screen at any time again by pressing Shift and F5. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.